I sleep deeper, I wake up clearer, and my snoring has basically disappeared. And it turns out a bad night's sleep isn't always about your pillow or mattress. It's mainly about your nervous system never fully shutting off at night. And that's why I started taking golden magnesium before I go to bed. It helps your body to actually relax instead of just laying there pretending. And this one has zinc and selenium too, which helps support breathing and recovery while you sleep. There's fulvic acid in here, which is key because it helps your body absorb everything better. So you're not just swallowing supplements hoping everything works. I got their new peach iced tea flavor, which is delicious. And considering it's on sale with free shipping right now too, it's a great time to pick some up. So if you want to check this stuff out and read some of their reviews, I'll go and leave a link down here somewhere.